So guys, welcome back again to my channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, now I want to teach you guys on how to solve this problem. If your page has any issue like this, now is the time to resolve it. Okay, I would like you to watch this video to the end, okay, because I'm going to teach you on how to resolve this issue. Once you open your page and you find something like this, the reason is this: you have posted something that is against Facebook guideline, Facebook terms and condition. Okay, so once Facebook gives you this warning, you need to work it by yourself for you to resolve the issue by yourself. Okay, so how do you get to know this side? Okay, how will you get to know this if your Facebook has an issue or not? Let me teach you. Okay, let's go back. Okay, once you open your Facebook, you click on this professional mode. I want to teach you two lessons at the same time. Okay, once you click there, because many people are using their Facebook, they don't know whether their Facebook is healthy or not. Okay, if you want to check whether your Facebook is healthy, you click on this page recommendation. Okay, once you click there, you can see monetization, manage admin, and page status. You click on page status, so there we see the result. Okay, so how to resolve this issue? If you find something like this, you have to screenshot this issue like this. Just screenshot it. Once you screenshot the issue, you go back to Facebook settings. Okay, let me screenshot it again. Okay, that's been screenshot. Okay, you go back to Facebook, go back, click on settings, help and support. Then you click on report a problem. This is very simple. Okay, once you click there, you click on OK. Let's go back again. Report a problem. Go back to where you saw an issue and check your phone. So let me explain this. It means that you have to go back to where you saw the problem. If you open the place, you check your phone, Facebook will automatically show you how to report. Okay, so this one is where I saw the problem. I've checked it, so they have brought out something like this. I have to click on report problem. Okay, once I click on report problem, they will show me something like this. So once they show me something like this, I have to lay my problem on this box. So I have already typed the problem and copied it. Okay, and also add my page link. So after that, I click on upload from phone. Once you click on upload from phone, it means that place that you found that problem, you have to screenshot it before coming to this place. So you upload the screenshot of that place you find the problem. So once you add the picture, what's the next thing? You have to click on send. So they have to give you like 10 minutes for them to finalize it. Once they finish the finalizing, then they will send you a feedback message that you have to wait. Then Facebook can take like 1 or 2 weeks for them to review your problem. Okay, I would like you to like this video. Consider to share this video to your friends, because many people are facing this problem but they don't know how to solve it. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more updates. Remember, we are on Facebook. Okay, bye bye.